Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Meera Pawan. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to prepare a beautiful craft item all by yourself in a very simple way with just the waste items or unused things that we have at our home. I have planned to create a plant pot, and for this I have taken a curd bucket that is left unused in my home. So for the coloring part, I have chosen acrylic colors. This is a white acrylic color which I have picked up to give the base coating for this bucket. Next I have taken a teal blue acrylic color. So this will be the main coating for the plant pot. You can choose any color of your choice, and I'll also be leaving an online purchase link for all these items in the description box. You can check it out in case you want to purchase this online. Next I have taken a sponge. I just need a piece of it for dabbing of the color. You can also use a flat brush in this case, but sometimes the strokes leave fine lines even after the paint gets dried out with a flat brush. So I prefer the sponge for coloring part. You can also use a dabber, which is again a sponge that comes with a stick. Now let's get started with our DIY. For this I have taken a plate to pour in my colors. You can choose any plate or bowl as per your comfort. Now take the piece of sponge, dip it in the acrylic color and apply it all over the bucket. Since this is a base coating, we can just apply the color right away like this rather than dabbing. We need to follow the process until we coat the whole bucket area with this white color. So whatever crafts we are preparing, it would be good if we can just give a base coating with this white color so that the main coating stays strong and intact. You can also remove the sticker that is present on this curd bucket and then follow the same process of coloring it as I'm showing you here. Once we complete applying this color to the whole bucket, we need to let it dry for some time, and then we should also give a second coating for this. I chose to give a second coating as I haven't removed the sticker, so just to hide the inner label details and the color that has, I'm giving a second coating for this. Just let it dry for some 10 to 15 minutes once the second coat is also completed. Now take the color that you have chosen and pour it into your plate. Take the sponge piece, dip it in the color and start dabbing the color onto this surface of the bucket. At the first instance, when you just applied the color with the help of this sponge on this bucket, you will be seeing some air bubbles, but as we dab it continuously, they will be vanished and the surface will be smooth and the color will also be spread evenly once it is dried out. Like this, we should be coating the whole bucket with this color by dabbing it all over the surface. Again, once the coating is completed, we need to let it dry for some time. So the first coating is dried up and this is how it looks after that. And one thing which I wanted to share with you guys is whenever you're planning or choosing to reuse any plastic items, just check for this indication on this which shows you PP5. This indication will let us know that this is a reusable plastic. Now we should give a second coat for this. So following the same process as we have done before, just dab the color all over with the help of the same sponge and let it dry for some time. This is a closer look of how the color spreads while we are dabbing it. As we are dabbing the color, the craft items look very realistic and also beautiful at the end. Next I wanted to do some polka design on this plant pot. For that I have taken an earbud. Choose any nice contrast color when you plan to give some design on your plant pot. So I have chosen this white acrylic color again to give some polka dots design. You just have to dip the end of the earbud in the color and just press it on this plant pot to give some dots like this, as I'm showing you over here. Same way, just apply some random dots all over the plant pot and just see how beautiful it looks. You can also see how the blue color had settled evenly all over the surface. And next, for the finishing touch, I have picked up some Fevicol as I wanted to stick some jute rope on top part of this plant pot to make it look more elegant. Apply the Fevicol or any glue which you are taking, like the way I am showing you over here. Then take one end of the jute rope and stick it on the surface where we have applied this Fevicol and just press it once so that it gets settled. In this way, I am going to stick the jute rope, wrapping it all around. Once you complete sticking a full circle, to start with the second one, just apply some Fevicol on top of the first part where we have started sticking this glue. Take this jute rope on top of that and continue sticking it in the same way. Once it is completely wrapped up, take a scissors and cut the jute rope at the end. Now stick this part with Fevicol. Just for some perfection, take a scissors and try to trim the extra jute threads that are hanging from this jute rope. And finally, this is how my plant pot had turned out, which I have created from an unused curd bucket. Don't you think it's pretty and beautiful? This DIY had added a beautiful color and superb look to my corner. For the finishing touch, I'm going to put a money plant in this plant pot. If you wish to use the plant pot DIY directly, you can make some 3 holes at the bottom for the water to drain out, and directly you can put in some soil and your plant into this plant pot. In this lockdown times where you feel this boredom being at home and you have a lot of time to do something, just try to get your hands on such DIYs which will add beauty to your living space and also will give you that satisfaction and happiness of creating something pretty. So this is how you can create a best DIY out of the waste that you're having at your home. So hope you like this video. And for more such interesting craft videos which you can do all by yourself, stay tuned and do subscribe to my channel Meera Pavan. Also hit the bell icon to get the updates of all my latest videos.